Welcome to another house tour here in San Diego. Today we're going to be going through 1536 Whitsett Drive, which is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, single level house built in 1978 with 2,208 square feet here in Fletcher Hills, 92020. This house is in the Fletcher Hills Elementary School boundaries, which feeds into Parkway Middle School and West Hills High School. It has easy access to the 125 freeway, all the shopping you can handle in Santee. There's nearby parks, hiking trails, and community pool. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the floor plan so you can see how it flows, and while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe below so that you can be the first to learn about San Diego real estate and our housing market. Hey guys, my name is Jesse Morrison, real estate agent here in San Diego. And since getting my start back in 2005, I've helped hundreds of people just like you win throughout the home sale process and add tens of thousands of dollars of profit to their bottom line. If you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email using our contact information in the description below. We can talk about what your next best steps are and what's happening in today's market. All right, so as we're approaching the entry here, we are immediately entering into these high, tall iron security doors. And let's see here. You're at the entry here, you have nice tall ceilings, 9.5 feet-ish is what I'm seeing. There's sunken in living room. You can see the high ceilings throughout. There's not a lot of natural light in this house, big windows. This is a gas fireplace. These are all plantation shutters. They're not all throughout the house, but they are in the front of the house. Here is an area for your formal dining. That is the kitchen. We'll get to a little bit later. There's another spot for a table. Out that direction is the family room, and there's, as an entry, there's this room here. This room here is it could be doubled up as either an office if you close that wall as you enter through this door, or you can close this front area and make it accessible just through that hallway back there, and it would be more of a bedroom. And the hall is to the left there. This is the HVAC furnace. It's a Lennox system, which is a very nice system. Over here is a just a little closet for a coat closet. Again, these tall ceilings are throughout the house. This is the main TV room, is what I would say. As we go to the back, this area is would be a really good game room or playroom. That backyard, we'll get to it a little bit later in the video. Another good space for a family. This is the kitchen that we were talking about. That's the area where we could have the extra table. Here is a walk-in pantry with tons and tons of space. Kitchen is large, it's wide. This area right here is where the refrigerator would go. The cabinets are high quality cabinets. The drawers have the dovetail finishes and soft closing mechanisms. This is a gas range. There's dishwasher, large stainless steel double-sided sink, and as you're looking from the sink, you can see into that game room ahead. These are quartz countertops, but again, it's very wide, so you could have more than one person in here working at any time. There is HVAC ducts, so central heat and air throughout the house. This is the hallway, and as we look to the left, there's a half bath that services the main living space. So no shower in here, but this is where everybody would use the restroom, you know, when you have guests over. The floors throughout the house are all this nice luxury vinyl. There's crown molding throughout as well. To the right here is the master. To the left is the hallway for all the bedrooms, and that is the laundry room straight ahead. Let's go into the master first. Again, the high ceilings are throughout. There's also newer carpet in the bedrooms. The master has a lot of closet space. There's actually 3 of them. Let's see if I can get in here to show you around. So they're simple closets. There's not a bunch in there. But that's how all the closets are throughout the house. But there are a lot of space in the master. This is the master bath. It's got a dual sink vanity and a sunk-in shower, which is easy to get in and out of. All right, let's move through to the other bedrooms. First, let's look at this is the main bath that services the other bedrooms. It also has a double sink vanity. Okay, again, it serves, you know, the other bedrooms, this bedroom and that bedroom and that bedroom. This is that bedroom that could double up as the office if you close that door ahead. Just close it up there, and it would be actually served better as a bedroom. But if you close it off right here, it would be more of an office. Here's another bedroom off to the side. Newer carpets in here as well. Here's the 4th bedroom. There's newer windows throughout the house, in all rooms. Again, this is the laundry room. So we have a gas connection and an electrical outlet for the dryer, and there's where your washer would go. And just beyond the laundry is the 2-car garage. You got the water heater out here, which is a nice way to have it. All this storage, there's tons and tons of storage in the garage, and it's all kept off the ground. Out that direction where I pointed was the backyard. I should say the side of the yard. So let's head out to the back yard. Let's not go that way. Let's actually go through the side yard, and then we'll make a way back. So this back, or the side here, is a nice covered patio. Keep you out of the elements. Be a great place for a table and some chairs. We have turf back here. Again, those iron gates take you up to the front. I love the privacy, the height of the privacy fence. Again, there's the Lennox HVAC system. This roof here has got concrete tiles. Lasts a lot longer. This is a shed. We'll walk in there in just a second. You got up there, you got a deck and a tree house. We'll get over there as well. But let me show you the shed real quick. Nothing special here. It's just a space for, you know, stuff. All your extra stuff that you don't want to put in the garage. Let's go this direction. So to the left here is, you know, the house where you can get in there from the master or the playroom. I love all the concrete. It keeps the water away from the house, and it extends all the way down the side, right? And that's where the other couple bedrooms were as well. So let's go ahead and go up the deck. I want to show you a couple things about this deck. The deck isn't made out of wood. It's the nicer, I forget what it's called, the plastic. but it's large. It's very large. That's the tree house. It's pretty cool. I'll show you that up here. You got another level up there for more playing, and it's all grass. So you got 3 levels of a yard, and this is wide and flat, and it's quite large, so you can play. All right, there's solar up there. That's the tree house, and that's the house. Okay. Oh, real quick, there's all this seating here I wanted to make sure that you were aware of as well. And the treehouse again. Thank you so much for touring 1536 Whitsett Drive with me. If anyone you care about could, benefit from this information, please just make sure to share this video using the share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email using our contact information in the description below. We can talk about what your next best steps are and what's happening in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I strongly suggest that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to helping.